Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to draw electron configurations. In order to start learning how to draw electron configurations, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a story. So go ahead, get your pencil, get you some paper so that you can follow along with me. Now, this story is going to be about hogs. There's my little hog, isn't he cute? So we're going to pretend that we actually built a hotel, and this hotel was built just for hogs. Now let's say that the architect who designed our hotel was a little strange. So let's say that on the first floor of our hotel, he only put one room. And then let's say on the second floor, he again only put one room. Then let's say he went to the third floor, and on the third floor, he decided, you know what, I'm going to put 3 rooms. Then on the fourth floor, again, he only put 1 room. And then on the 5th floor, again, he put 3 rooms, okay? So the hogs show up, and they're ready to check into your hotel. You got this drawn on your paper? Great. Know that you don't have hogs. So what I want you to do to represent your hog, instead of sticking the hog, is you can just draw an arrow. So my first hog shows up, and he checks into my first room. So I know you can't draw that way, so you can just put an up arrow. And it would be right here where my hog is, right here. So put an up arrow to show that the hog checked in. The next hog shows up, and he's going to check in. Now, because my hogs are so big and fat, they really don't like to climb stairs, so he's not going to go get a room by himself. He's actually going to come down here and share. Now, the only problem with sharing is hogs are not very friendly or social. So because they're not very friendly, he doesn't really want to be in the room with him. So he's kind of mad at him. He's going to turn his back on him. And what we're going to use to show that he turned his back on him, we're going to use a down arrow so that they're going the opposite way. Okay, my next hog shows up, and we would think that he would get in the room with these. Unfortunately, hogs are pretty big, so this room is full. So since the room is full, it can only hold 2. What he's going to do is he's going to go up to the second floor. When he goes up to the second floor and he checks in, I'm going to put my little arrow to show that, because you don't have hogs, so you're just going to draw an arrow to represent your first hog on your paper. Got it? Good. Okay, so now another hog comes in. He's ready to check in the hotel. Can he go on the first floor? No. Why not? Because the rooms are full. It can only hold 2. So he has to climb stairs. Now, he gets to this room, and there's a hog in the room. Now, remember, they don't like to share, so you might say, well, he can go up here and get a room by himself. However, remember, he's lazy, does not like to climb stairs, so he's not going to go up. Actually, what he's going to do is he's going to come down, and he is, because he'd rather share than have to actually walk. And we're going to put a down arrow to show, so you're just going to draw the down arrow on your paper to show that hog. Now, the next one shows up. First floor, the room's completely full. Second floor, room's completely full, so he has to go all the way up to the third floor. When he gets a room by himself. The next one shows up, and again, he has to go all the way to the third floor, and he doesn't want to share, so he gets a room by himself. And then the next one comes up, doesn't want to share, again, gets a room by himself. Now, so far, everybody, all my hogs in my hotel are pretty happy, but another one comes along. Again, he climbs, these 2 room floors are full, he comes to my third floor. Is he going to keep going to the 4th floor so he can get a room by himself? Yes, it would seem like he would want to, but remember, he's lazy. He doesn't want to climb stairs, so he's actually going to come here and share. And oops, I forgot to put my arrows to show you. So remember, you're putting arrows to represent your hogs. So all these hogs that checked in first are my up arrows. And this one that just came, he's going to turn in opposite way. So I'm going to put a down arrow. Hopefully, this helped you understand those 3 rules for drawing electron configurations by relating them to the Hall. So now what we're actually going to do is to practice drawing the electron configurations for some elements.